Hi, this is Elise, your friendly neighborhood pool chemistry person here at Patio Pleasures in Sun Prairie, and I am here to talk with you today about Supreme Plus. This baby right here is the bee's knees for your pool. I cannot stress enough how much we love this product here. So at the risk of sounding like a TV ad for a chemical, this does so much work for you up front that your chemical needs for the rest of the summer are drastically lowered. When you finally get your alkalinity and your pH in range using muriatic acid and pH up, and again, we can help you get those numbers exactly where they need to be using our water testing stations at both locations that we have. This will be put into the water right after that, when everything is perfect. And you put in half of the total dose, you run the system 12 hours, and then you put in the second half of that dose, run the system another 12 hours. And what this does is for the entire summer, it will protect your water from having what's called like pH drift. As you're topping off during the summer, your hose water is reintroducing water that is not chemically balanced. And it can start to make your pH go up, it can start to make your alkalinity go up, and suddenly it's the 4th of July weekend, you've got a party and you're like, my water's cloudy, how did that happen? So this will prevent that from being as aggressive of a drift. It'll help you to stay on top of that to keep the water clear. It also has its own clarifying agent in there, and it starves algae of carbon dioxide. This is a gas that is critical for algae to grow and proliferate. And by starving it of that, it makes it much harder for the algae to bloom. So it just is like, keeps your water super clear, it keeps the algae at bay, it prevents your pH from drifting on you, just makes it overall much easier to have that beautiful, sparkly, magical pool that you've always wanted to have in your backyard for your oasis. Again, we are happy to help you get everything dialed in and to tell you exactly how much you need. Just come and see us at either our Sun Prairie or Madison West locations. Thanks.